Check out this guy. He just made $1,000 by selling a website to a small business around him. And then he started making over 3 lakhs every single month by doing this one thing. But the question is, how can you create websites with vibe coding and start selling it to businesses around you? That is what we'll have a look at today in this video, and I'll also show you the next step that comes after vibe coding a website. So I found this guy on Twitter, and there are many examples. They find businesses around them who have excellent reviews but don't yet have a website. Then take all the reviews and the information about the business and feed it into a vibe coding app like Replit, Lovable, or even Claude Code. AI builds the website for them, and then they start cold calling them and start selling them this website. That is exactly how this guy made $1,000 for one single website. But Ishan, I've already heard this. Anyone can create a website, but what is next? So today, in this video, I'll show you what to do next after you vibe code a website. See, vibe coding is now free. Anyone can build a website, but publishing it is not. Hosting that website is not. So in this video, let me take two websites and take them live on real domains and host all of them on a single hosting or business plan for 199 rupees a month. And then we'll see how to start selling it as a freelancer to companies around you. But let's step back and understand the bigger problem. See, the moment you want to remove the build with button on any vibe coding app, they start charging you excessively with fees. You have to start paying $20 a month, you have to start paying $25 a month, and you will be charged based on the usage of your website. So if your website today has 100 visitors, tomorrow if it crosses 1 lakh visitors, then start paying a lot more for that. The cost of buying a domain is separate, the cost of hosting the website is different, and then you start adding up all of this and it becomes quite expensive. Like I remember buying a Replit subscription, then buying a $10 domain name for my website, helloishan.com, and then hosting it on Replit itself. And most side projects or MVPs don't have that type of budget to spend. Also, most AI builders don't understand that a static host can never protect an API key. So any project with an AI feature is exposed the minute it goes live. And what you end up with is thousands of websites and projects that you've built just sitting idle on your laptop on that vibe coding tool, but never getting shipped, never reaching the client. But let me fix that today with the help of hosting a business plan and show you exactly how to go from just a simple idea to a ready-made MVP to launching that, getting a domain and hosting it on a real Node.js host. So Hostinger calls it Node.js Web Apps Hosting, and let me show you how it works. So I just found this dental clinic called Happy Grins. They have 177 ratings and 5 stars in total, which is amazing. So we have all of their reviews over here, and all we have to do is to now build a website and start selling it to them. Look, they don't really have a website over here, which is our biggest opportunity. Use Claude in Chrome to understand everything about this dental clinic I found and help me build a amazing looking website for them that people will love and end up trusting the brand a lot more. Have a look at all of the reviews. Use Claude in Chrome to access this particular link. Understand everything about their business and what they offer, their images. Take those images and start putting it in the website and make it very custom. Ensure that all the buttons and the screens and pages are working. And now show me the final website. So I've taken all the information about this business and put it right into Claude Code to help me build a simple website. This is what we've all done, and this will create a great website. We know that already. But what is next? Website number 2 is Murugan Real Estate. They have 4.9 stars and 60 ratings, and they are into real estate and they don't really have a website. So let's create a website for them as well and start hosting it out there. Build me a website for this real estate company based in Mumbai. Understand all the reviews that they have on Google Maps and what do they really sell, and look at the pictures that they have, and then build a custom website. Use this Gemini API key to create a AI section where they can ask you a bit about what houses you're looking for and then recommend you some options. So this would be a AI section inside of the Murugan Real Estate website. And website number 2 is getting built out. Here we're using Codex to create the first version of it. Now you can click on Hostinger. So for just 199 rupees a month, you basically get a free domain name for a year and also free business emails. That is amazing. So you can basically click on Start Deploying on Hostinger, select the business plan right here, I will go with the 12-month plan, and I can put the coupon code Ishan20, and then we'll click on apply. And there you go. That was the discount right there. You can also use that. I will quickly sign in, and there you go. I can enter details about myself. Okay, payment is successful. And once you complete the payment, this right here is the Edge panel. And this is where you can start deploying all the websites that you create. Now, the best thing is that you simply need to click on setup for the business plan. We have to start creating a new website. Yes. And this is where I can deploy my web apps in minutes. Now I'll just click on get started. There are 3 ways to actually deploy your website. Continue setup. I'll select Node.js web app, and then I'll click on next. And this is where I can simply ask for a domain name. So let's search for Murugan Real Estate. Okay, there you go. Murugan Real Estate. And there you go. MuruganRealEstate.com is available for free for 1 year. So you can literally just buy this over here. So we'll click on this. Now we'll click on next, and it is setting up the entire information. So you are the owner. This is the email. You can then add details about your address. Okay, so now this website is getting registered on Hostinger, and then we can simply and we have 3 main options to start creating this website on Hostinger. Either we can import a Git repository, so we can either go to GitHub and then get a repository. Second, we can upload all the files. So we can upload a .zip file over here, and then we can continue with the import. Or the third and the most amazing option is to actually build with Hostinger connector. So basically, this allows Claude Code to be connected with Hostinger, and your website can be hosted and deployed with just one single prompt on Claude Code itself, which is okay, this website looks great. I love the colors. I love the design. It looks very much human. There's also an AI component to the website that I want to show you. So I have generated Gemini API key, and I have given it to ChatGPT Codex to build it. And it gave me information about where can I find a 1 BHK in 60,000 rupees. And it is giving me information about that. So this is not just a static website. This website also has an API key. So if you go down, there is an AI element to it in which it asks you about what type of a house you're looking for, and also gives you information about how can you find that house and where can you find it in Mumbai. Now all of that will be hosted now on Hostinger. Okay, the website is uploaded. I can click on continue, review the build settings. Everything looks great. I will simply click on deploy, and deployment has started for MuruganRealEstate.com. The website is getting uploaded onto Hostinger. And I just love this. And our website is quickly getting deployed, as you can see, all on Hostinger right here. And there you go. Deployment completed from the files. And this right here is the backend for the website that we have just built. And all of this happened in less than 30 minutes. I built the website using Claude Code and ChatGPT Codex, and we pushed it right onto Hostinger, Web Apps Hosting. We have 2 live websites with 2 real domain names for an entire year for just 199 rupees a month. You can set up a free email right here, and everything works. You get 50 GBs of disk space for the hosting of this website, which is more than enough for any website you're trying to build. Let's add another website. So we will click on deploy web app. Let's use a temporary domain for now, and we can connect Hostinger with Claude Code. So let's configure this manually. Okay, so this is the manual configuration. Select MCP tools. So I will just take a screenshot of this, and I will put it right into my Claude Code and ask it, hey, can you connect with Hostinger? This is the screenshot for how it is telling you to do that, and also the commands that it told me to give you. Okay, and this right here is the website it built for Happy Grins. And as you can see, this looks really, really cool. And I can now simply just give it to them and start selling these websites to businesses around me. So Hostinger is now set up into my Claude Code, and this right here is a website getting deployed right into Claude Code. So Claude Code is helping me deploy this website to Hostinger, and look at this. The website is now finally live. This is what the backend looks like. You can again buy a new domain name, but you get so much options. You can now add 3 more websites, and you can host them all under just one plan on Hostinger, which is just amazing. If you're a freelancer and you want to start selling this service of building websites for business around you, this is the easiest way to get started. Yes, you will have to pay because this is what costs a lot of money, and you get access to all of these options and variations. You can literally start charging companies 20 to 30,000 rupees for every website you build for them. And it is happening. It is a reality for so many people I see every single day on Twitter. They are just cold calling businesses that, hey, do you want to buy this website I made for you? Have a look at this website. And websites are looking pretty good these days that Codex and Claude Code are able to spin up in about 20-30 minutes. And then a system of picking up the call, just calling as many people as possible that, hey, I just built this website. I can sell it to you for 20,000 rupees. Hey, your business needs a digital storefront and I'm going to help you set it up for 20,000 rupees. And people are willing to pay for this. You will not imagine how many people want their website to be built, but they just don't know how to get started. You can get started with hosting a web app hosting with the link in the description of this video. They have a monsoon sale going on, and you can use Ishan 20 to get an additional 20% discount on the pricing plan that you end up selecting. Now, I will see you all in the next video. Till then, start using this, start deploying your vibe coding websites and end up saving a lot of money and start selling this to businesses around you. And tell me in the comments, were you able to make money from this or not? I'll see you in the next one.